Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming you're signed in to the correct Apple ID on the device. This ensures the picture updates everywhere. Once done, open Settings and tap your name at the top to access your Apple ID profile. Make sure Wi-Fi or cellular is on so the change syncs. If your new image is in Photos or Files, position it now. Square or centered images look better. You're ready to tap the profile picture placeholder and choose the image source to start the change. You'll now tap the profile photo area and select Edit or Add Photo, then pick Camera, Photos, or Browse. This step chooses the image source. When you select an image, adjust the crop and pinch to zoom so the face or subject is centered. This controls how it appears across Apple services. Make sure to tap Done or Choose to confirm. After you confirm, wait a moment for iCloud to sync the change to other devices signed into this Apple ID. Connectivity affects timing. To finish, check Settings, right arrow your name on your devices to confirm the new picture appears. Syncing can take a few minutes. If it doesn't update, sign out and back into the Apple ID or toggle iCloud photo settings to force a refresh. This often resolves stuck syncs. Also verify photos permission in Settings, right arrow Privacy if the device can't import the image. If problems persist, check Apple System Status. Intermittent outages can block profile updates temporarily, so retry after a short wait.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.